I would like to forgo the opportunity to defend the budget in a question and answer format. I will leave it up to the House to decide on the budget submitted.
Armored vehicles ang nakapasok sa crop.
Ang mapayapa sanang umaga ng mga residente.
Dito mga kabayan, irarap ni bitin de Sara Duterte mga congressman doon sa Senado. At kailanman ay hindi natatakot ang ating VP Sara Duterte. At kung ikaw ay babukalan sa aking YouTube channel, huwag kalimutan ng subscribe. At paki-like and share ang comment at pakipindot sa notification bell para update ka. Let's go!
Members listed for interpellation, and as you know, you've been here many times for our budget briefing, that this is an important part of the budget briefing. The GAA, the General Appropriations Act, is arguably the most important piece of legislation every year.
Dito mga kabayan, pakinggan natin na ito po nga mga katanungan ng mga ilang mga congressman at paulit-ulit at para lang na malitaw.
So, yun po, kami po ay, we will proceed to ask questions.
Madam Chair, my answer for every question will be, I will forgo the opportunity to defend the budget of the Office of the Vice President through a question and answer. And I will leave it to the House to decide on the budget submitted. So, magsasayang tayo ng oras ito, paulit-ulit yung sagot.
That is acceptable to us. Unless I hear any objection, that is acceptable to us.
Madam Chair, siguro first observation, no, yung on the budget for the 2024, yung Vice President na nagsabi, Madam Chair, na slow and low utilization. So nakita naman natin doon sa presentation. So yung utilization ay napakababa. Pero syempre comment ko lang, no, mas mabilis siya sa confidential funds. 100% in 11 days.
Madam Chair, since you allowed her a snide comment, you will allow me a snide comment as well.
I don't recall hearing a snide comment, Madam Vice President. Ang snide comment, that's a matter of judgment. So please proceed
Secretariat,
with
Madam Chair, I would like the Secretariat to repeat the first 3 lines of the comments.
Well, point of order, Madam Chair. Point of order, Madam Chair, kasi parang...
So let's please proceed with the answer.
Point of order, Madam Chair, kasi parang siya yung nagpe-preside eh.
You allowed her a snide comment and then you will not allow me
Please wait
a snide comment.
Excuse me, our members and our guests.
I warn you.
Please wait.
Don't go into this rabbit hole.
Please wait to be acknowledged before you speak.
I request that the chairperson of the Finance Committee preside over this hearing.
Madam Vice President, with due respect, you are not allowed to do that, Madam Vice President. You are not allowed to introduce any motion. You are a research person in this hearing, Madam President.
I did not move, ma'am. I requested as your research person, I requested
So
the
your request
chairperson
is
of the
denied,
committee.
Madam Vice President.
Madam Chair, the topic and the invitation of the House of Representatives to the Office of the Vice President for this hearing is the 2025 budget proposal. There is no confidential funds in the 2025 budget proposal.